Nearly all of the limitations of our study stem from the fact that we had limited access to pathological gamblers. So in order to find our participants, we were reaching out to people we know in real life, a lot of older people who gamble recreationally, a lot of grandparents, friends, parents, friends' grandparents, and there were some complications that came from this. First of all, there might have been a reactivity effect because a lot of these participants knew the person administering the survey in real life. They might have been less likely to be fully honest about their answers, and they might have been censoring themselves a little bit. The other issue was that we expected recreational gamblers to possibly score higher on SOGs than they actually did. So it wasn't necessarily efficient for us to find participants this way. It took us a lot longer to find the scores that we needed for our group. Another issue, another limitation that we had was with our monetary questions. The way that we wrote it, it required our participants to imagine themselves as a 30-year-old person, and because a lot of our participants were older retirees, it might have been harder for them to put themselves in that mindset, and they might not have had the easiest time answering those questions. Another limitation was the response effort required to finish everything. We administered most of our surveys through email and through telephone. So there was the Zung Depression Scale, there was the probability questionnaire, and there was the South Oaks gambling screen that each participant had to require. So through email, it took a bit of effort and commitment to complete all three of those documents and send them back to us, or to go over all of those on the phone. So those were some of the limitations that we had with this study.